Alright, this video is to help with section 9.5, day 1, number 8. Right, and this is a review one, so we're solving this equation. Certainly, if you were in a moment of panic, you could guess and check for x. You'd probably have to get a decimal and do a bunch of guessing, but you could probably figure out something for x. Be a little tough to the nearest hundredth. But at any rate, the way you can solve it is an exponential where x is in the exponent. You solve that with logs. So basically, we know log form log base b of a equals x, and that's sort of equivalent to the form in exponential if you have the value of b to the x power equals a, where this x here is the exponent and b is the base. So we're going to take this statement. We are currently in exponential form, and we're going to rewrite it in log form. Right? So I'm going to write the word log, and then the base number. Right, our base is this 7 here, so the 7 goes down there in the log. And log means find the exponent. So the exponent goes on the other side here, which in this case is 2x. All right, and then our value is the final part. So this value a goes right there, which is 75. Okay, and now we just need to know how to evaluate this side on our calculator and then divide by 2. So there's a special button you can use on your calculator, but there's also the change of base, where if it's a non-base 10 log, you can just do log of 75 divided by log of 7. All right, so you can see how it looks. I use my log button, log of 75, close parentheses, divide by log of 7, and we get 2.2187. So 2.2187 equals 2x. Okay, and I don't want to round it too much until the end. 2.2187, sorry if I said that wrong. Because now I just want to divide it by 2. Right, so we get my answer for x. Divide by 2. And so to the nearest hundredth, that would be 1.11. So we get 1.11 for x after we divide by 2. Okay, and if you want to check it, you can always put it in and check that that's the right number there. All right, hope that helps.